true disciple of the Buddha yearn not even for heavenly pleasures. Dhammapad 187. True disciples of the Buddha yearn not even for heavenly pleasures. Dhammapad 187. The disciple of the Buddha does not even go after heavenly pleasure. The disciple of the Buddha has his mind fixed only on the process of ending cravings. Even with pleasures heavenly, that one finds no delight. The perfect Buddha's people delights in craving in. Dhammapad 187. Opi dibo bechu kamechu rokting so nadhi gacchati tonha khoyoboto hoti samma sambuddha sabako. Dhammapad 187. তন্হা ক্ষয়রত হতি সম্মা সম্বুদ্ধ শাবক. ধম্মপদ 187.